All right, session number. Oh, I didn't log my last session. Let me do that. Log. Six. Finished up the. Well, started work on the product hunt. Here. Product hunt ship page. Ship. Page for entry into the hackathon's first deliverable. A sense of things existed and what the ship page was all about. While I was at it, I also set up a sort of intermediary idea for a logo, which wasn't actually that bad. I'll find somebody to make a better logo for me later. Here it is below. Logo. Initial logo, images, logo.png. Is that good enough? Grip work log. Wait. LSAL images. Did I not save the logo? Where did the logo go? I totally saved the logo somewhere. I didn't save the logo. Where did I save it to? It's not in here. It's not in there. Definitely exported. Where does this default? Oh, to wait, no, I didn't even save it here. Where did that get saved to? I don't know what's happening. Where did I create binaries? Where is everything? It's like everything I did last session is gone. The file does not exist. New folder, binaries, save as, change it to dex, binaries, okay, then I exported the logo as a PNG in dex, images, logo. And now it should be here. I swear that was there before. I don't know why it wasn't there now. Okay, now try grip. I have no idea what happened. That was crazy. Just magically disappeared. Oh, come on. There's a PNG in there. LSAL images. Yeah, it's there. Images, logo.png. I'm confused. Why is the logo not there? I don't understand. I give up. is right there. Seriously? I don't understand. I give up. I'm so done. Whatever. Wait, logo and images already exist. Get add images. Vim.getIgnore binaries. Double check the work log. Why is it not loading the image? Oh, there it goes. That's not bad. Is it a big image? Is that why? Like 57 kilobytes. Whatever, man. Okay. So there's another one that I missed. Let's do this also. Login. Make this bigger. Start a timer. Make this bigger. And take a screenshot of this. Go to my recent screenshots. Not that one. This one. This one I just took. Move this to Dex. Come on. Open the folder. Or not. There we go. Images. I'll just call this interface design 2. Quits. Get add images. Vim work log. I also wanted to update this with interface design 2 images interface design 2 JPEG. Save that. Get ST, get L, and then I will fix this. Get fix that's get push. Oops. Get push dash F. And that'll update the work log with that. What do you mean no? Oh, is that a PNG? PNG. It is a PNG. Get add. Wait, no. Get ref log. Get reset this. Get add. Get L. Get fix this. Get push F. There we go. Fixed it. I should put a break timer there. And I should change the stop timer. Okay, now I'm ready to start the session. Like 10 minutes in and I haven't even started the session yet. Just fixing all of last session's problems. Okay, what am I doing now? I'm working on the work readme. Let me change that. hunt ship page. I don't need to say for project, obviously it's for the project. Refresh. I said refresh. Whatever, man. Okay. README for repo. I swear I changed that. Seriously? I hate project management software. I'm always nitpicky, and I always hate that I do that. Product hunt ship page. Okay. Now refresh. There we go. Okay. Now, what I'm working on, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so now we're going to make the README for the main page. Vim README. Ooh, now we gotta steal some READMEs. I really like how I did moderator. I really like this setup, so I'm gonna steal this. Raw. Take that. No. Don't need to give credits because I made it. Logo, I should call it logo 250 or whatever it is, but for now that's fine. No, Dex, and then I'm also going to steal team and license. It's not going to be an MIT license. I don't know what license it's going to be, so I haven't decided that yet. GitHub. Well, I mean, founder, software architect, since people don't know what a software architect is. Okay. Ooh, I will also steal the notice of active development. It's a good idea. Dex is still in its early stages of development. Feel free to watch this project as it grows. Using this below, you can see the basic summaries of each minor version. Nothing that promises to be stable until we reach. That sounds about appropriate. Pomodoro, time, task, and work log tracking platform. Dex is enforces the time tracking of projects based on the Pomodoro technique, which pushes for 25-minute long work sessions with a 5-minute break in between. Dex pushes this further to encourage work log entries after each session in order to provide transparency into projects worked on. This transparency and the The combination of this transparency and efficiency leads to the potential to grow a new form of agile development tailored to freelance solo developers, software developers. That must have some sort. Combination of this transparent leads to the potential to grow a new form of agile development tailored to freelance, where the progress is transparent to those following: clients, supervisors, product owners, scrum masters. Well, I wouldn't be scrum masters, but etc. Clients, supervisors, product owners, etc. Ultimately, this should reduce the amount of time spent in meetings and increase the amount of development completed. That's decent. Overview. Dex enforces the time tracking of projects based on the Pomodoro technique. Let's link that. Pomodoro technique paper. Is this it? Yep, this is it. That's a very important document. Do not lose that. Pomodoro technique. And then there's this Lifehacker article, which I will link here. It should reduce the amount of time spent in meetings and increase the amount of development completed. Tenfold. Twofold? Twofold. Twice as great or as numerous. Threefold. It's more like threefold. Because not only do they get their normal work done, they get less meetings, so they get even more work done, and they're working in Pomodoro, so they get even more done. Awesome. I'll say threefold. I like threefold. 3 times as great or as numerous. Can I emphasize that? Grip, readme. What do we got so far? Dex is a Pomodoro time, task, and work log tracking platform. Dex enforces the time tracking of projects based on Pomodoro technique, which pushes for 25-minute long work sessions with a 5-minute break in between. Dex pushes this further to encourage work log entries after each session in order to provide transparency into projects worked on. The combination of this transparency and efficiency leads to the potential to grow a new form of agile development tailored to freelance/solo software developers, where the progress is transparent to those following them. I should say those following them. Ultimately, this should reduce the amount of time spent and meetings and increase the amount of development completed. super emphasis. Threefold. Notice of active development is still in its early stages. Feel free to watch this project as it grows and use the issues section to put it in any questions or ideas you may have. Below you can see the basic summaries of each minor version. Nothing in this project promises to be stable until we reach a cool. Let's just delete that. Okay. Cool. I actually really like that. It's really not that bad. What are we at? So we got an overview. Let's do a review of features. The MVP of Dex shoots to accomplish the following use cases. Start a timer. The platform of choice. Track. Get a notification at the completion of a Pomodoro. 25 minutes. Track overtime. Pass the Pomodoro. Log double, triple, and quadruple, etc. sessions. Upon ending the timer, store a work log entry. Timer, store a work log entry associated to that session. Post MVP. The roadmap may or may not include the post MVP. Post MVP, the roadmap will most likely include the following. View to-do list on the command line. Installable through npm. View to-do lists at the start of a session. Well, track a to-do list. Organize sessions, work logs by clients, projects, and entities of projects. Track a to-do list that can be aggregated for clients, projects, and entities of projects. view to-do list before and after a session. Sync to-do list on Todoist. Well, support webhooks to allow for integration of apps through starting, ending sessions. Through session events. What else do we really want to do? Like generate or hooks on the CLI for project automation, like generating markdown for a project. Support for additional platforms like Slack, Facebook, Messenger, Trello, well, etc. Support for additional hardware like Amazon Echo, Google Assistant, etc. Track breaks, SMS, track breaks and notify on platform of choice of the end of a break. Start a session on the CLI. Get notification of the end of a break on your phone while out on a walk. One, 2, 3, 4. Start a session on the CLI. Get a notification of the end of a break. While on your phone. Well, on your phone while out on a walk. While away from your computer. What other things do we have in our brainstorming? I mean, we had some interesting ideas here. So in product, eventually consider charging on a per client basis. Progress gamification around session completion. Shallow, deep block awareness. Yeah. Deep block tracking. And Pomodoro daily Pomodoro goals. Statistics on productivity. Punch card of common sessions. How much overtime spent. Requests work from a developer. Follow developers. and other social networking concepts. REST and RPC API to integrate against or for external developers to develop integrations. History. I have been working in Pomodoros for about 25-minute Pomodoros for about a year, and prior to that I worked to lower my increment of sit down time on a single problem. I've found that Pomodoro technique has proven to be extremely powerful. Me as a software architect engineer. Earlier this year, I was working on a project where I wanted to share my progress, and I realized from the reception that the transparency of keeping a work log after each session can really have massive benefits for those following, and potentially for those managing, as well as for those you are building for. I have been keeping work logs of my sessions ever since, and I've determined that I need a centralized platform instead of a bunch of scripts, bash scripts that trigger, that allow me to manage that work log. Also realize that there might be others out there that would really benefit from something that pushes for this combination of transparency and efficiency. So with the announcement, with me stumbling, so I've been planning to build this platform for a while, but with the discovery of the product hunt, global hackathon. And the recent loss of my job. So I've been planning to build this platform for a while, but with the discovery of one recent loss of my job, I decided now was the time to jump into this, as this could improve my agility across the board in all future products. Planned features. Okay. That's not bad. I mean, I really need to make the organization a little better. You know what? I wonder if it would look better if I emphasize these. It definitely looks better with italics. I should probably put this up top. This now belongs up somewhere else. Planned roadmap. Okay. Action versus. I think this will be a lot of fun. Just to draw some attention to some of these words, I want to bold that, bold that, bold that, bold that, bold that, bold that. Like Mac, PC, Android, iOS. Lots of targets. Lots of fun stuff. I like it. It's not a bad thing. And I think for the most part, I wonder if I can justify cd dex CLI. No, cd CLI. LNS readme. Remove readme. I wonder if I publish this, well, that gets a readme that will work. Ta-da! Totally worked. Oh, but the link's not going to work. The image isn't going to work because I have to copy. Okay, copy images. Well, ln-s images to images. Let's see if that works. Come on, come on. Do I get an images folder now? LSAL this. Oh, I don't get an images folder. I tried. Let me do this. Remove RMRF images. What if I do instead of doing that, I do images logo.png to images make dir images. Move images. lnls images dot or logo.png to images. SAL images. This might work. Now I try to publish. Come on, work, 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 work. Of course it's not going to work. LSAL dist. Oh, it doesn't copy images. Is it because I don't copy all files? No, I copy all files. Oh, what if I do this? Okay, I think I have it. Rebuild, make dir, copy. Let's also include images. I'm going to also copy images logo.png to images. No, wait, that's a different. And copy images logo.png to images. That might work. Remove images. Ah, no. Wait. Git checkout images. Okay. CD CLI. Now let's try publish. Damn it. What happened? Oh, that's wrong. That's why. I want to copy to dist images. Publish again. SAL dist vim readme should read images logo png dist images. Damn, I was really hoping that would work. You would think, but instead yeah, it's not grabbing the image. I thought it worked for moderator. Oh no, it doesn't work for moderator. Why doesn't it work for moderator now? That's obnoxious. Maybe they don't accept HTML now? Okay, well, I tried. Okay, well, did I already log this session? I just finished L, or S session 7. Git. No, I haven't logged the session, so that's done for now. Set up an initial README file for set up an initial README file for the project and the CLI tool. Build in some history as well as a potential roadmap and some other little fine-tuning details. Also adjusted some of the CLI publishing to take into account the README file. Should be good. I'm kind of in the middle of designing that. I already created a product page. That's awesome. Set up for publishing to NPM. I already did that. Deploy script for easy publishing of new features. I already did that. Making good progress here. So I might just do one more session to get things going. It doesn't look like I'll get a Firebase project up today. Or I might get something up tomorrow. What else? What other kind of menial things do I have to finish? Feels like a very not codey time. Ultimately, I like how the README came out. That logo, I love it. Just can't get over it. Yeah, good enough for me. Alright, I'm gonna end this now. I guess I can start working on the timer next. I really don't... Well, I'll start setting up the Firebase project next, actually. I really want to set that up. I've been wanting to set up an API for that. I'm going to copy a whole bunch of stuff from Hermes, so I might as well get it set up, get it working. Kind of late, it's just a bunch of copy and pasting and project managing kind of thing. So pretty outside. Alright, see you guys in a sec.